Alrighty folks, good morning. This is David over here at D's Garage. So today we got another installation video for you guys. Now this video is going to be different. I'm going to try to show you guys how to do it yourself. I do get busy here at the shop. You know, this is what we do here, so sometimes I can't show you exactly everything, but I'm gonna try to. We're gonna be installing some power folding mirrors. We got the mirrors here. Power folding, turn signal, heated mirror with the puddle light. Both sides on the 2017. As you can see, this one does not have no turn signal or puddle light or power folding option. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna need to run a few little wires, take off the door panels, and make everything work. So I'm gonna be making this video. Hopefully it helps some of you guys. I'm gonna share some of these part numbers so that if you guys want to get the same setup, we can help you out. Let me just make sure we're not sharing any of the information here. So that's all the info right there that you guys need, okay? And then the switch, I'll share that with you guys later on. Alrighty guys, so we got the mirrors all out. I'll show you guys the difference. We're gonna be using these caps back, so let's compare side to side here. Signal, no signal, heated, not heated, puddle light, no puddle light. It already has like the little cutout for it, but they just didn't put it on. Okay, so just want to show you guys that. We got the mirrors off. I'm going to show you guys how to take that off really quick. So you got to take off the door panel. You got a screw here, and screws at the bottom. Take those out, pop the panel out. Be really careful not to break anything, especially this. You got a couple of bolts there. Pop that puppy out, and you got both sides out. Okay? Alrighty guys, so we got this side figured out. I'm sorry I couldn't show you before I put this back on. I'm just starting to get busy here at the shop, so I have to kind of get this job done. On here there's going to be pins. You're going to be using pin 11 for the puddle light, and then pin 41 for the turn signal. You got to remove this. This is a tough part where you got to be really careful, because if you don't, you're gonna break that harness, and now you're gonna need a whole new harness. So just be really careful with that, guys. I'm telling you right now from experience. And instead of it being an easy install, you're gonna cost yourself more money. So if you don't want to deal with it, let somebody who has already experience do it for you. We ran it through there, ran it through here. Now we got our two signal wires that are going on here. Okay, let me show you guys really quick. Turn signal with that puddle light. We're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy back together. And then I gotta do the same with that one. Same thing. Pins. All right, there it is. You got your turn signal and puddle light. The puddle light is the black one with the white stripe. Turn signal is going to be the red with yellow stripe from the mirror. Got it all wired up. Let me put these door panels back on and show you guys once everything's working. Alrighty guys, just wrapped up the Chevy here. Let me show you guys. We got the turn signal, power folding mirrors on. Okay, we can go ahead and turn signal that. Turn signal that. We can go ahead and adjust our mirrors to however you like. And then we do have the puddle light working. There it is. Here are the part numbers that you will need.